This is A Course of Love, reading 86. We are in the embrace. Expressions of love are as innumerable as the stars in the universe, as bountiful as beauty, as many-faceted as the gems of the earth. I say again, the sameness is not a sentence to mediocrity or uniformity. You are a unique expression of the self-same love that exists in all creation. Thus your expression of love is as unique as yourself. It is in the cooperation between unique expressions of love that creation continues and miracles become natural occurrences. This cooperation is natural when fear has been rejected. You have long embraced fear and rejected love. Now the reverse is true. The reverse of truth has changed the nature of your universe and the laws by which it operates. The laws of fear were laws of struggle, limits, danger, and the competitiveness. The laws of love are laws of peace, abundance, safety, and cooperation. Your actions and the results of your actions in a universe of love will naturally be different from your actions and the results of your actions in a universe of fear. You set the laws of the universe when you choose fear. The laws of the universe of love are God-given. Acceptance of your true power is acceptance of your God-given authority via your free will. When I beseeched my Father, saying, "They know not what they do," I was expressing the nature of my brothers and sisters as caused by fear. To accept your power and your God-given authority is to know what you do. Let the fear be taken from the area of your thought so that you can see the application of cooperative action. As long as you fear your own ability to know what you do, you cannot be fully cooperative. The rest of the universe exists in a state of compassionate free will, devoid of fear, knows what it does. There are no opposing forces that are not in agreement about the opposing forces. No atoms do battle, no molecules compete for dominance. The universe is a dance of cooperation. You are but asked to rejoin the dance. The embrace has returned you to the attunement with the heartbeat, the music of the dance. You have not known what you do or what to do only because of fear, only because you have been out of accord with the one heartbeat. The world, the universe, is your partner, and only now do you hear the music that brings grace to all your movements, all your actions, all your expressions of love. While this may seem to be metaphorical language, it is not. Listen, and you will hear. Hear, and you cannot help but rejoice in the dance. You have not before now been able to even imagine knowing what you do. You hope to have moments of clarity concerning what you are doing in a given moment and what you have done, what you hope to do in the future. But even these moments of clarity are fractional. They seldom have any relationship to the whole. Knowing what you do comes from existing within the embrace. You know you do the will of God because you are at one with that will. Bitterness and uncertainty are replaced by hope. Hope is the condition of the initiate, new to the realization of having a home within the embrace. It is the response that says to all you have just read, "Ah, if only it were true, if only it could be true." Notice the complete change in this "if only" from those who have spoken of early the if-onlys of fear. If you put half as much faith in these if-onlys as you have in the if-onlys of fear, all the certainty I have spoken of will be yours. Knowing what you do is a present moment knowing. It is not about plans. It is about moment by moment knowing exactly who you are and acting out of that loving identity. And it is about knowing that as you do so, you are in accord and enjoying the full cooperation of the entire universe. This was reading number 86. Take a pause, breathe, enjoy today.